God is my judge. He is of noble blood, a prince of Judah, but his world has been shattered. The armies of Babylon, a tide of bronze and fury, have swept over Jerusalem, and he is now a captive, a piece of human plunder. Imagine him standing in the shadow of the Ishtar Gate, the blue glazed bricks shimmering with dragons and lions creatures, of alien gods. The air is thick with the scent of strange incense, the sound of a language he does not understand, the taste of a culture designed to erase his own. This is Babylon. And Babylon is not just a place, it is a system, a consciousness. Its purpose is not merely to conquer nations, but to consume souls. The ruler of this vast empire. He is a spiritual architect. He orders the most intelligent, the most handsome, the most promising of the captive people. They are for 3 years. The literature of the Chaldeans. They will eat the king's food, drink his wine. They will be remade in the image of Babylon. And the first thing the system does, the very first act of this spiritual warfare, is to change their names. God is my judge. It is renamed Belteshazzar, a name that invokes a Babylonian deity.
When we were young.
When we were young.
Handog ng Bear Brand. 840 grams, 300 pesos na lang. Bear Brand, araw-araw.
Everybody loves to see from the way it's all.
Oh no!
Everybody needs it should be like you're like a dream. But if I change your evil on, then I have a law.
What's the
You're talking about myself all night long. Hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie. You sound like a song. My God, this reminds me. Oh, everywhere. If you would have you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were afraid of getting old. It made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears. Nobody told and now, sir, you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. You still sound like a song. My God, it reminds me. Oh, anywhere. Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we
just like a song. When we real, when we real,
Kinakain mo pa?
when we real, when we real, it's hard to admit everything just takes
Ay, te.
me back
Ay, di daw
when
sila.
you were there, to when you were there.
Ewan ko sa kanila kung anong
And
kwento.
a part of me only knows just in case it hasn't
Peso daw.
I guess I still care.
Sa kanila, hindi na sa peso, sa dollar na lang ako.
It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me. Oh, every year. Let me photograph you in this light. In case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were afraid of getting old instead of resting.
Dapat yung grade mga dapat yan.
Getting old, it makes me It was just like a movie.
Hindi pa nang ibig yan.
It was just like a song.
Tinatanong ko pa ng sped pag kaya rin na sa kinder mag-sped. At doon niya tutuloy yung hindi niya nangyari. Hindi binawalan naman sila sa sped. Alam mo siguro doon yan. Saan? Sa sped. Hindi, sa central din. Ay. Yung mga, yung mga special doon na wala. Sige na nga siya. Nahuli. Pero sabi naman ang nagtuturo doon. Madali lang ito, matuturo na rin. Kasi may mga ganyan din daw sila estudyante no? Ganyan na kasi naman kayo. Ano, wala naman dating gano'n na. Nagulat ka ba? Nagulat ka? Wala naman dating blower na gano'n na. Oo. Maligot.
Kasama mo ang mukha mo ba sa panahon higit ka sa pera? Ang list mo ba, nakita mo ang low limit mo?
Let me photograph you in this light. In case it takes a lifetime that you might. Magkuhaan, mag-ministro kapag laki mo ah. Ay, ganun yung sinasabi ko eh, mag-ministro ka na lang. Okay! Oh, akala ko oo. Ayaw na naman, oh no. Ayaw. Ay, galing. Sabi ko nga sa anak ko, mag-ministro ka anak ka. At napakagulo na itong mundo. So, baka magkukuhan pa ng World War III na. Saka, ano naman na sila nagtitigil ng mga... Isang swerte mo na yun pagka nagtatatawa na isip. Oo. Kadamay ka naman. Tingnan mo si Kwan. Kariko, sayang yung anak niya. Kung nag-ministro yun, hindi nangyari sa kanya yun. Si Kwan, ano nangyari? Di ba yung nasagasaan din sa Kwan? Sa kulong kabulihan. Yung ba yan? Ay, yung ba yan? Oo, siya yung nasagi siya ng sasakyan. Eh, tingnan mo yung ginawa niya. Gagaling nagbilyas, magdamag. Kakukuhaan ka. Hindi, ganun yung kay sa kulong diya ko, yung seeker siya. Oo, ganun din. Di ba, nag-ministro, tapos na sa nakin sa ministro. Ano yan? Si Garcia? Oo. Bakit? Ay, nag-ministro din, pero... Ministro, tapos na. Magtuturo na. Magagawa na eh. Namatay. Nagkasakit sa lalaming na nakaya. Tapos yun, nakarang... Kung na yung namatay na po? Pinatengke.